Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we don't have an advent, but we have some very exciting holiday gift sets to unbox and review together. Now the lovely team from Clarins Australia has actually kindly gifted us 3 holiday sets to review. But before we start, can I please ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, because that way you'll be notified of all the upcoming Advent and holiday set unboxings. Today we will be unboxing 3 holiday sets from Clarins. We have the Double Serum Eye Routine, the Extra Firming Collection, and the Beautiful Lips set. Now I will go ahead and link all of these below for you to check out. If you head to the Clarins website, you'll actually see that they have over 21 holiday sets to choose from, so there's definitely something for everyone. Now, if you want to check out their advent calendar, they also have that if you're looking for an advent with just Clarins products. Starting with the most expensive set, we have the Extra Firming Collection set. Now this one has 3 products. It's valued at over 200 Australian dollars and it's retailing for 156 Australian dollars. This set is designed to tackle wrinkles and works as a firming care set for those wanting younger, smoother and firmer skin. As I'm growing older, I'm finding myself looking for products to invest in that target aging. So this set is perfect for me. The first item from this set is the Clarins Full Size Extra Firming Day Cream for all skin types. Now this one is 50 mils and it retails for 136 Australian dollars. That's almost the entire value of the set alone in one product. This is the Clarins Daily Anti-Aging Face Cream, which works to firm and plump up your skin. Oh my god, it smells amazing, and this is extremely hydrating, with the key ingredient being kangaroo flower extract. So this one actually has a rose and camellia scent. It's quite subtle, it's not too strong, and I like that it works for all skin types. Now this one actually also is designed to be used in the morning, and it reduces dark spots whilst hydrating your skin. The next product in this set is of course the matching Extra Firming Night Cream for all skin types. Now this one is a mini, it's 15 mils, but the full size does retail for 145 Australian dollars. This one is also designed to reduce the appearance of wrinkles while you sleep. This one also has the same firming function as the day cream, and of course it does contain the same kangaroo flower extract. This is also for all skin types. The last product in this set is the Cryo Flash Cream Mask. Now this one is a mini, it's 15 mils, but the full size does retail for 110 Australian dollars. Now this mask actually uses cryo technology, which is so cool. It's actually a cream consistency and it's designed to be used 1 to 2 times a week. The mask combats aging and has menthol and evening primrose extract for lifting and firming the skin. I am actually super excited to try this one. We move on to our second holiday set now, which is the Double Serum Eye Routine set. This one also contains 3 products inside and it retails for 144 Australian dollars and is valued at over 165 Australian dollars. This set focuses on everything eyes. The first product we have is the Clarins Full Size Double Serum Eye. Now this is 20 mils and it retails for 125 Australian dollars. I have tried this one before and I absolutely love it. I actually really love this serum both for the eyes and there's one for the face as well. It's one of Clarins' most iconic serums. This is actually a double anti-aging serum for the eyes and tackles wrinkles, puffiness and dark circles. I can't recommend this product enough. It's a must try. The second product is the Mini SOS Lashes Serum Mascara. Now this one is a mini and it's 3 mils, but the full size retails for 53 Australian dollars. And I actually have tried this one before. You apply this as a lash serum to prepare and strengthen your lashes. So lately I've actually been taking a break from lash extensions and I think this serum will really help. The last product is the Mini Wonder Perfect Mascara 4D. Now this is a mini at 3 mils, but the full size does retail for 52 Australian dollars. Now this is the Instant Lift and Enhancing Mascara. It's meant to add volume, length, curve and definition, hence the 4D in the name. Moving on to our last gift set, which is the Beautiful Lips set. This one contains 4 products and retails for 45 Australian dollars. The set comes with 4 different Lip Comfort Oil minis in all these different shades. First of all, the Lip Comfort Oil product is probably one of my favorite lip oils on the market. I actually already own the full size of these in so many different flavors and colors from Clarins. It's extremely nourishing on the lips and it smells divine. Now I do use this on the daily. It's super nourishing and is packed with amazing oils such as jojoba, hazelnut and sweetbriar rose. So there are a few other lip oils like this on the market, but honestly, they don't smell this good. And you can use this one over your lipstick or on its own as lip care. The set here comes in 4 colors. We've got honey, cherry, pitaya, and strawberry. They are all 1.4 mils, perfect for on the go in your purse or for traveling. This is another product from Clarins that I just can't fault. Absolutely recommend this for anyone looking for an amazing lip care product. So these are the Clarins holiday gift sets. What did you think of this year's sets? Let me know in the comments below. So last year, Clarins actually sent over the Total Holiday Eye set for me to review. You can check that out on my channel too, because that set is actually available this year too. This year we have so many gift sets from Clarins to choose from. The prices range from 45 Australian dollars to 369 Australian dollars. And there's everything from stocking fillers all the way to full gift sets. If you are looking for the holiday gift sets from Clarins or their advent, I will link everything below for you to check out. Once again, thank you for the Clarins Australia team for sending us these gift sets to review. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I will see you in the next video. Bye!